As a parent who understands the importance of taking control of your financial future, you know that you don't suddenly learn how to handle money by making more of it, right? This is why a lot of lottery winners lose it all. Financial literacy is not a side effect of wealth. Wealth is a side effect of financial literacy. It's not about how much you make. The real question is, are you educated enough to not only keep it, but to grow it and make it work for you? And that's the exact difference between the rich and the wealthy. The rich work hard for money, while the wealthy get their money to work for them. When I first created my Make Your Money Work For You PowerCourse in 2015, it was a huge success, and it helped so many busy parents who weren't even math whizzes, and in some cases had never even invested before, take control of their financial future and make their money work for them by creating investment strategies that were unique to their personal financial situation and their risk tolerance. The PowerCourse is obviously awesome and has everything you need to take control of your financial future and to sleep soundly at night. But I get it, that some of you want to test the waters first. Will it actually work? Is it really as thorough as the Invest Diva's top students claim? So I wanted to give you guys something so that you can see it with your own eyes. What I've done is that I've put together all the slides of the 8-week PowerCourse in one step-by-step workbook so that if you're a do-it-yourselfer, you can just scroll through it and start your Invest Diva journey at a minimal amount. This is because I really want our relationship to start on the right foot so that you can see that I really do know what I'm talking about. I really can help you make sense of this whole financial market without making you feel intimidated. And I love over-delivering because I'm on a mission to help millions of moms take control of their financial future so that they can sleep soundly at night and finish wealthy. So go ahead and get your copy of the Make Your Money Work For You workbook at this crazy amazing price. I would love to feature you as my next student success story.